Hello, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm Kazifaizahmed from designerdollar and welcome to my designerdollar official YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing well, and I came here with another interesting and viral topic that's called Flux Pro art. So what is Flux? So Flux is the latest and the best way to generate artificial intelligence images, and you will get the actual prominent and realistic images generated by Flux. So the Flux is separated with two different versions. One is the depth version and another is snail version. Snail is way faster than the depth version of Flux, and you can generate tons of images with couple of minutes using the snail version of the Flux. So today we are going to experience the Flux Pro version, the latest version of the Flux module. So let's get started, and if you are new in my channel, then definitely it's worth to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, then hit the bell icon. So here you can see the website link, the Flux Pro art, and after coming into this website, you make sure that you just made the profile by including your Gmail and the password of the Gmail, or you can again automatically subscribe this website by including your Gmail address. Okay, now you can see I have already created my account here, and till now September 2024, it is totally free, and you can generate unlimited images using Flux Pro. So you can see there are tons of images which are generated by the other users in Flux Pro, and you can also generate this type of images, and these are so realistic and so powerful to look around, and the visualization experience is too high. And you can see it's a social media post design. You can also use it as a social media post designer tool, and you can see the written words are so identical, and it is totally fine to use. If I go to the create and click on it, then a new window will pop up on my screen, and again you can write down the prompt here, and I have already created a prompt, and I just paste here the prompt. A 3D rendered portrait of a boy's face is covered with medium hair and wearing crystal glasses. The page of Adobe After Effects interface should appear behind the person for the motion graphics course marketing, and I have included the quotation mark because I want to highlight this part. The background is filled with vibrant graphics and patterns. Relatable animations icons are floating with some blurriness around the person. The face of the person should be straight to the side of the camera sitting on desk at night. The overall mood of the image is cinematic and futuristic. The floor is made of wooden planks. Okay, and here you can see some of the useful settings from here. The aspect ratio, you can change the aspect ratio from here, but I definitely want to make these images for Instagram platform, so I'm going to leave it untouched. Safety, okay, if you are who that occasionally made 18 plus images, so you can use it as a safe or mild version to safety purpose. But if you are not rely on it, then you can actually leave it as it is, and the steps should be definitely I will leave it as the default. The guidance 3, I will leave it this two portion of settings in default. The seed random, okay, I can again write down the seed version of it after generating some images, and the number of images, how many images I want to generate, then I will leave it as a 4. And again you can reset it 6 hours. That means each 6 hour you can generate some of the images. I don't sure that how many you can generate, but you will get 20 credits free for the first time. Now after providing the whole prompt here, just click on the generate, and here is the warning message that your prompt seems to contain words depicting minors. Consider using the appropriate word women and men where possible. Okay, if you want to rely on it, then you should go with the default, or you can just justify, or you can modify these words from here. There is nothing wrong with it. Just click on the generate. Okay, and after 15 seconds you can experience some images from the prompt that you have already provided on the website of Flux Pro. Then you can see the pictures are too high detailed, and these are so professional, and the person or the cartoon, you can see this goes with some error. I will leave it, and these are too intense, and so much informations are provided here. And again I just want the realistic portrait, and again if I hit the generate, and you can see I only left 16 credits now, and it will actively increase after 6 hours. Again I am generating it, and here you can see so realistic images, and I am quite interested to generate more and more pictures or images from Flux Pro, and the interface is so professional, and the guy looks so confident. Now you can swap your faces with this creature and make your own marketing, advertising, or own genre from Flux Pro art. So I hope that you have already enjoyed this video and learned a lot information from this video. And if you really happy to see that I am making some informative and very useful video or tutorial, whatever you want to say, regularly, then definitely hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And again, if you are a citizen of Bangladesh, then you can also search me on the YouTube channel named Kazifaizahmed or Dollar Production, where I every day or in every week I upload in Bengali graphics related and motion design related tutorials. Thank you so much, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. Assalamu alaikum.